Namaste, sharks, heads of the Himalaya Television HD, members of the press, and distinguished guests. Welcome to the grand premiere of the first season of Shark Tank Nepal. तपाईहरु सबैलाई Global IME Bank मार्फत प्रस्तुत Shark Tank Nepal Season 1 को सुरुवातमा हार्दिक स्वागत छ। We are powered by Proton EMAS, TVS Apache Series, the Everest Hotel, Kathmandu, co-sponsored by Study Square. आजबाट सुरु हुँदैछ यस्तो यात्रा जहाँ सपना, संघर्ष र सम्भावनाहरू सँगै नै पाइला चाल्नेछन्। From every corner of Nepal, we have dreamers and doers coming together at this platform and bringing not just investment ideas, but also their energy and vigor to our television in the Himalaya Television HD. हामी सबै sharks र सम्पूर्ण team members-हरुप्रति आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छौं। To our brilliant sharks, Mr. Anand Bagaria, Managing Director of Nimbus Group, Mr. Hemraj Thakal, co-founder and managing director at IME Group. Mrs. Ritu Singh Vaidya, managing director at the Voith Group. Mr. Cabinet Shrestha, managing director at the Agni Group. And Mr. Saurabh Jyoti, chairman at the Padma Jyoti Group. Your contribution to this show will be forever remembered, and I too am truly inspired. We'd also thank the production team who have made this possible, firstly starting with the beloved production team of Simo Sunwar and the head of directors at the Himalaya TV HD. Now it's time to bring about the moment that we've all been waiting for. Can we please put our hands together for the team, the representative from Shark Tank India who will be joining us. Shark Tank Nepal, collaborating with Shark Tank India in the former prior stages, has also made this production possible. And Shark Tank India is not just a show. It's a revolution in India's startup culture which sparked waves of startup enthusiasm across South Asia. We're proud to welcome the man who turned headphones into lifestyle, the co-founder and CMO of Boat, Mr. Aman Gupta. While Mr. Aman Gupta joins us on the stage, can I please request the presence of our beloved shark on the stage to grace his welcome with the head of director of Himalaya TV. Can we please have Mr. Saurabh Jyoti, Mrs. Ritu Vaidya, and Mr. Anand Bagaria on the stage. Can I also please ask the presence of the chairman of the Himalaya Television HD, Mr. Dharmaraj, on the stage to welcome our chief guest. A trailblazer in India's startup world, he's known from boardrooms to the screens. His energy, his wit, his sharp instincts have won millions of hearts. A shark and a youth icon. Nepal is honored to have you with us. Welcome to Nepal. Request a prompt photography session, after which I'd like to welcome our executive director from the Himalaya Television HD, Mr. Shyam Kadel, for the welcome note.
सबैजनालाई नमस्कार। म माफी चाहन्छु कार्यक्रम अलिकति ढिलो भयो प्राविधिक कारणले। Namaste and very good afternoon to everyone present here. Welcome Amanji, Shark Tank India. I think Nepali people were watching you on screen, television screen and digital platforms. You're one of the most watched sharks, most searched on the digital platform. Welcome to Kathmandu. I met Aman, maybe he forgot, maybe a couple of years back, because I started negotiating with to bring Shark Tank Nepal. That was quite long time before, 4 or 5 years back, even before India. Then I went to India to see the productions. Then I met you, said like short speech or short words, which was being aired on television screen. Thank you so much for that. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to this special screening event of Shark Tank Nepal happening after an hour. Today, indeed, a moment of pride for entrepreneurs, business fraternity, and us at Himalaya TV as we take a bold new step in bringing the global Shark Tank legacy to Nepal. This show is not just about investments. It's about dreams, innovations, and empowering entrepreneurs across the country. We are especially honored to welcome a very special guest, Mr. Aman Gupta, a respected entrepreneur, investor, and one of the iconic sharks of Shark Tank India. Aman Gupta ji, your presence here today adds immense value to this launch, and we are truly grateful to have you with us. Your journey and insight continue to inspire many aspiring entrepreneurs, not just in India, but also here in Nepal. Shark Tank Nepal will go live on Himalaya Television starting 2nd July, which is tomorrow, and we are excited to showcase the passion, creativity, and resilience for Nepali entrepreneurs to the world. Thank you once again, Amanji and our sharks. Unfortunately, today, 2 of our sharks, they are already on flight. One is Mr. Hemraj Dhakal, is flying to London, and Cabinet Dai he's on his way to Kathmandu. Maybe he's landing after 1.5 hours. So, Amanji, one more time, you are welcome. You have touched the soil of Pasupatinath. A lot of blessing from our side. And all our Nepali sharks, we are quite excited because our job we already have done our job. Shark Tank is here from tomorrow onwards. Entire Nepali viewers, entire Nepali people, not only inside the country, all across the globe, wherever they are. So they will be watching you, they will be waiting to watch you. Already, we already have a good vibes. Our industry has taken ownership of this show, which is very, very good. So thank you so much once again, and welcome to Kathmandu, Amanji. Thank you so much, and thank you, audience.
As we dig deeper into the season, we'd like to firstly start off with Mr. Aman sharing few insights on importance of Shark Tank in industries like India and Nepal, its importance on how entrepreneurship changes the vision and the energy of young people getting into the startup scene in India and in Nepal. Firstly, welcome.
Thank you.
Can you please give us a little insight into the importance of Shark Tank?
First of all, thank you, Himalaya TV, for calling me here. It's a pleasure, and I'm excited to be here. And congratulations to all the sharks. It's a game-changing thing which you guys have done. Now I'll tell you about Shark Tank India. This is our 5th year this year. We'll be shooting in October. 5 years back when Shark Tank India was starting, India mein, people didn't expect that Shark Tank will do anything different. People thought it's just another business show, or it's just another drama or entertainment show. I think Shark Tank has played an amazing role in the entrepreneurship ecosystem in India. We were all born watching एक Roadies करके होता था India में, Roadies, Splitsvilla, and all the moms and dads used to watch these Saas Bahu serials, right? जब Shark Tank आया ना, there were a lot of people, lot of youngsters, lot of moms who didn't know what business is, right? They didn't know what profit and loss meant. They didn't know what EBITDA meant. They didn't know what ROI meant. इतने terms हमने सिखाए इंडिया को. इतना इंडिया में जो aspiration value बढ़ा है. जब हम start कर रहे थे ना, people used to come to come to me and say कि हमें salary के लिए जाना है, right? That was job market used to be hot. But after Shark Tank, I think now people in India, all these young guys are ready to be entrepreneurs in India. It has changed how entrepreneurship was being looked at, from being negative to being positive. So Shark Tank has been an amazing thing for India. And in fact, I'll tell you, मैं अपनी story बताता हूँ. मैं जब बड़ा हो रहा था ना, मैंने Shark Tank US देखा है. बहुत शार्क टैंक यूएस देखा है, और शार्क टैंक यूएस देख देख के मेरे को लगता था किसी दिन मैं वहाँ जाके पिच करूँगा, किसी दिन मतलब क्या क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, क्या होता है. इनफैक्ट मेरे को लाइफ में जितना शार्क टैंक ने सिखाया ना, उतना मेरे बिजनेस स्कूल्स ने नहीं सिखाया. सो शार्क टैंक हैज प्लेड एन अमेजिंग रोल, शार्क टैंक यूएस, in my journey at Boat also. And when I meet a lot of young people, in fact you guys will also see that in the next few weeks or months, there'll be a lot of young Nepalese people who will start dreaming that I will also build a venture like you guys have. They will start seeing you in them and then say that, you know, there is a very famous dialogue I said, it's called Hum Bhi Bana Lenge in season 1. And that dialogue, Hum Bhi Bana Lenge, was so viral that people started getting inspiration ki yaar, if Aman can do it, he is also a common man like me, and if Aman can do it, so can I. So that fire is what Shark Tank ignites in the country. So I'm so happy that now, you know, Nepal will also, you know, have its own Shark Tank Nepal. Although I'm one side feeling यार अब इंडिया का शार्क टैंक कम देखेंगे नेपाल से लोग, which is not good for us, but it's good for the ecosystem as a whole, right? So congratulations guys, all the best, and I'm sure it will be one of the blockbuster shows of Nepal. So
the fire you spoke about, I hope it ignites in Nepal as well, and we are really hoping that this show changes the dynamics of the entrepreneurial revolution in Nepal. So I hope it's the same. In India and in Nepal also. Now, I would like to go to Anandai. So, I will, while I am asking my question, I'll be sharing shooting ko duration ma bhayeko ekdam secret cheezeharu pani. So, Anandai had one secret. So, just wanted to ask you, can I have that notebook you used during the Shark Tank episode? Because trust me, when I say this, I have never written exam paper so long as he has written notes on that notebook. He had to, you know, we had to literally fill in another notebook to, you know, accommodate his writing. So keeping that in mind, how was your experience of the show? People think it's only about entrepreneurs getting the deal. But looking at you, you were writing it down, noting it down. What about sharks? Was it an amazing learning experience for the sharks? What's your take on this?
Sanjog, on your advice, I scanned it and have it in a PDF format with me. You can borrow it anytime you would want to. But on a serious note, Shark Tank being in the whole shooting period for about 18, 19 days, as Aman just said, it was a learning experience. It was trying to understand how each one of them think of business. If there was somebody who was trying to find a job for himself in the business, or if there was somebody trying to get out of the job scenario and get into the business. And you know, nuances of little things which, you know, in my normal business, I would not get to know. It was amazingly refreshing and educative is the word I would use.
We definitely got to learn so much from just being on the sets. And firstly, I'd want to congratulate all our sharks for putting up such a good show, but moreover, for doing all that you can for the entrepreneur scene in Nepal that should go all around the world. With that, I'd also want to pose a question to Sarbdai. We've seen you wear hats of maybe different feathers all along the years that you've been in the media doing all the influential work that you have. How do you think Shark Tank has impressed and also impersonified in your personality? And how do you think that will reflect on the youth of tomorrow?
1 crore, 2 crore, 3 crore. That's a new mic check on Shark Tank. So
leading up to hundreds of crore.
To start off with, Shark Tank is a business reality show. Junjai, what Aman said is, it's not just a show. It's real business. The sharks have invested in the ideas. We have our skin in the game. So it's not just about entertainment. It's about inculcating and encouraging entrepreneurship landscape in Nepal and acting as an accelerator for entrepreneurs to grow their business in partnership with the sharks. पैसा एउटा कुरा हो, पैसा पनि चाहिन्छ तर पैसा सँगसँगै जुन शार्क्सहरुको एक्सपर्टिज र अनुभव छ त्यो सँगसँगै जुन नेटवर्क हामीले आफ्नो दशकौं मेहनत गरेर हामीले बिल्ड गरेका छौं त्यो सदुपयोग गरेर आफ्नो व्यवसायलाई आफ्नो लक्ष्यतिर पुर्याउन फास्ट ट्र्याक गर्छ हेर्नु हामी जहिले पनि भन्छौं नेपालमा विकास भएन नेपालमा विकास नभएन द्वन्द्वकालदेखि लिएर अहिलेसम्म पनि धेरै विकास भएको छ तर म जहिले पनि के भन्नु गर्छु भने त्यो विकास हाम्रो जीवनकालमा हामीले हेर्नु सक्नु पर्यो विदिन आवर लाइफ टाइम सो इट्स अल अबाउट फास्ट ट्र्याकिङ द प्रोसेस अनि शार्क ट्याङ्क इज अ प्लेटफर्म as I said where the skin is in the game where we've invested and it will help the entrepreneurs that have pitched to fast track the growth of their businesses to realize their dreams and we are piggybacking on their ideas, on their dreams and the time and effort they have put in so that we can also help support them realize their dreams at the same time become partners and make successful ventures out of that and create jobs in the process.
So धेरै जनालाई के पनि लाग्छ भने शार्क ट्याङ्क चाहिँ रेकर्डेड भएकोले गर्दाखेरि त्यसमा धेरै टेक्सहरु हुन्थ्यो होला मिस्टेक्सहरु करेक्ट गर्ने मौका पाउँथ्यो होला मान्छेहरुले पिच गर्दाखेरि केही चेन्जेस गर्न पाउँथ्यो होला भनेर लेट मी टेल यु इट वाज वन शॉट एपिसोड नो टेक्स इन बिट्विन everything is real there is no drama there is no nothing feeling it's hard reality this show is all about raw and whatever it is out there you get to see exact same thing not even 1% added by any individual or TV or anything there is no drama involved it's just pure business and pure raw business idea and pitching and the conversation they have with the sharks so okay, Aman, my question to you is, you've been a frequent flyer in Nepal, right? I think I know you have traveled into Nepal for quite some time. So you know our market is a limited size market. So, and a lot of Nepalese founders really look up to you. So if you had to advise a young Nepalese founder who has idea, but don't have so much of access to the kind of market that they have in India. So for a limited size market, what would be your advice for the founder having a good idea?
No, this is my, I think, 30th visit to Nepal. Yeah, I've been there a lot of times. My mom used to have a travel agency, and the travel agency only used to sell Nepal. So, Salty, Holiday Inn, Taj ka Annapurna hota tha, hotel. So, we used to sell all these, I've been to Pokhara, Dhulikhel, Chitwan. I love Nepal. So, jaisi opportunity mili, I just took a flight and came here. And sorry, I forgot your question.
Nepal does that to you.
Advice. So I think, India and Nepal are very similar in that, right? If you look at, I keep telling कि India में जो entrepreneurs होते थे ना, वो भी India के बाहर नहीं सोचते थे, right? And, time comes when entrepreneurs start dreaming global. I always say that, what is Starbucks? What is Starbucks? I feel that Starbucks is just a coffee ki dukaan, chai ki dukaan, right? It's nothing that it is something very different from a chai ki dukaan. What is Walmart? Walmart is just, हम इंडिया में बोलते हैं दिल्ली में बनिए की दुकान, right? जैसे क्या बोलते हैं उसे? जैसे एक normal दुकान है जहाँ पे सामान मिलता है, right? It's just a बनिए की दुकान. But what is the difference between Walmart and Starbucks and Indian companies? We were never able to dream big. India mein, I keep telling people, if you ask me about Indian brands which have gone global, I also feel there aren't many because we were also restricted by our thinking. हमारी सोच होती थी कि हम इंडिया के बाहर नहीं जा सकते, right? But वो सोच बदल रही है, right? हमारे यहाँ भी बदल रहे हैं, आपके यहाँ भी बदल रहे हैं. India and Nepal are always together, right? हमारा भाइयों की तरह रिश्ता है एक, right? We are like siblings, right? Sometimes there is drama in the siblings, but which is normal everywhere, right? But there is love. There is so much love between the siblings that you can't change that. So that is what India and Nepal is, right? So India and Nepal always think together. Same system, same thinking. आप सोचो नेपाल में भी है कि आप बोल रहे हो कि हम आउटसाइड नेपाल नहीं सोच सकते. Why can a Walmart think global and why can't an India and a Nepal company think global, right? I think times are changing. We all are becoming global citizens, and I'm sure there are a lot of companies. What I can recollect is why आपकी है ना, यहाँ की है ना शायद, which is now probably a global brand, and in India also we love Bye, right? Similarly, I'm sure during the phase of Shark Tank, you'll see, or around in other entrepreneurs, there will be companies coming out of India and Nepal which will become global brands. It's just about the thinking which is going to change. And I think that change is happening. As he rightly said, Jyotna meko samajh aaya ki it will happen in our lifetime, and it is just preponing that, and it will happen very soon. That's what I believe in.
It's wonderful that you segued into collaboration, because I was actually leading into that segment of questionings as well. Ritu Di, welcome back. Firstly, the holiday shine is glowing on you. My question to you would lead up to collaboration in such an aspect where partnership can be looked into a certain distasteful manner in businesses, but how can we foster that collaboration into businesses, and what are the aspects of globalization from all the people that we've watched come into Shark Tank? One item that probably could globalize our map into a global scenario of enterprising.
Thank you so much for welcoming back. By the way, Aman and I were on the same flight, so we just came in together. But I think, you know, what you just said, and I think we heard it just now from Aman also, I think that one contributor is that you have to remove the boundaries from your own thinking. The minute you say that I am not limited to the boundaries which we have around us, let's remember that these are man-made. And now with the tech that is also man-made, we have the scope of reaching anywhere, anytime. All we need to do is to be a little organized, have a vision, and reach places with a great execution plan. It's all possible.
That's such a perfect answer, ma'am. So coming back to Saurabh Bhai, I'm pretty sure everyone knows how tech-friendly and gadget-friendly you are. And Aman here is also in that space. So can we expect, since you guys are meeting here, a cross-border collaboration? Or do you want to do something different together? Is it a possibility that you can explore in some time to come?
Aman, shall we sign a deal?
But who will be the shark here? Yeah, we should. In fact, it's a good time, and it's good to meet all these sharks. And that's how collaborations happen. And once we know each other better, why not? And, we can start something in Nepal and India. In fact, today we are also launching our brand boat in Nepal in the evening. So it's a good time that the brands from each country cross. And there used to be a time when I used to come to Nepal 6 years back. I used to see a lot of, not see a lot of Indian cars, but I now see a lot of Indian cars also on the road, which is good that now, and I was reading about you guys have brought Toyota and some Indian brands, Mahindra, Toyota in the country. So I think time has come when, both the countries can work even better. Entrepreneurs and startups can work even better now together.
So I think this is the beauty. Firstly, congratulations to Aman for the launch of boat in Nepal. I'm sure it's going to be rocking because I've seen his products, very trendy, they keep innovating, real value for money, funky products. I have used some of your products, the speakers.
I don't like the watch you're wearing, it's not a boat watch.
We'll get there after the deal.
Okay. He wears 2 watches.
But definitely, I think this is the beauty of Shark Tank, where you get to meet people, like-minded people, and once we get to know each other, start networking, discuss about business opportunities, I'm sure we'll find a lot of opportunities where we can work together.
जो businessman होता था ना, उसको बोलते थे चोर है. That he must have made money through some wrong means, right? India में businessman was not positive. Now look at the country, as I was saying, they are all watching Shark Tank. For us also, we have become, I shouldn't say celebrities, mini celebrities, right? That people come to us and take pictures. Why? People are getting inspired by founders. People are getting inspired by entrepreneurs now. Not just cricketers, not just Bollywood, but also entrepreneurs. Cricket कितना लोग खेलते हैं? 11 लोग, right? In our country, cricket is religion. 11 लोग. Bollywood, abhi tak, there are the 3 Khans which are still ruling, right? The others are still waiting in line that we also want to be superstars. But they are only the 3 Khans mostly. Maybe 5, maybe 7, right? But you know how many people can become entrepreneurs, right? In both the countries, so many people can become entrepreneurs. So it's good for the countries. It's good for us that people, अब मैं गाँव में जाता हूँ. People now know boat. I don't have to promote boat. My marketing budgets have reduced because of coming in Shark Tank. Aate jate, I keep saying boat so many times. The editor also sometimes deletes it. It is not your show. Please don't use so much of boat. I promote boat everywhere I go, right? So it is now gone to very different, the whole India, I go, wherever I go, people now know what boat is. It's the entrepreneur who pitches in Shark Tank in India or maybe now in Nepal. They get 5 minutes of pitching. In 5 minutes, people in India now know their brand. And their brand becomes overnight sensations. You go to YouTube, there are like so many people watching Shark Tank, not only in India, but globally, right? So there are so many entrepreneurs whose businesses have become brands. Now imagine us, हमारा कितना फायदा होता है. So it has been helpful for me, it has been helpful for the company, it has been helpful for the country, it has been helpful for, so there are no negatives in Shark Tank, unless, it happened in India also. If you start, now we are all in public lights and, public is looking at us. So we have to be very careful on what we speak. Sometimes you just can't say anything and everything anymore. So you have to be careful, but otherwise Shark Tank is a plus for everything and everyone. So I think it's good to take advantage of Shark Tank is what I always say.
Yeah, the same thing. It's even good for the brands that don't get the deals also. Yeah. Because the exposure they get from this platform is phenomenal.
100%.
So there have been so many instances of so many brands that have done like shot up after the Shark Tank episode is aired. So I think that keeping in mind that the same thing in Nepal also, for all the business that are looking to come to Shark Tank, it's just not about getting the deal or not getting the deal. It's also about making a statement for your brand so that the world can watch. So with that, I would want to share one question and an experience of Shark Tank Nepal, which you guys will see regarding Ritu ma'am. So Ritu ma'am, she's laughing. She was quite proactive, or didn't give much chance, or should I even go to the extent of saying absolutely no chance to other sharks if the deal is of her interest. And if there was no interest of her, she will be the first one out. So with that behavior, I wanted to ask you, did you approach Shark Tank chair before the show with a certain mindset, okay, these are kind of my domain areas, this is what I want to do? And during the show, did it change or it's stuck with you?
Did I approach them?
No. You had a mindset of, okay, I am going to look into this kind of domain, and if this domain comes, I'm going to go for it. I'm not going to give anyone any chance. But during the filming of the episode, did you feel, okay, let's just give chance to these people also? That kind of thing.
I think, thank you, Sanjog, for that very wonderful analysis. I didn't think of myself like that. But yes, I think when I came into Shark Tank, my main priority, which I keep saying, in fact, was IT. And I think, so I think when I was more inclined towards it, there was a lot more interest the minute there was something on those scores that all the antennas would be up and you're like, okay, I want to listen to this very hard. And if it is up my alley, then I want it. And other than that, of course, there are certain businesses that we have, in fact, put in money, which, in fact, some of them, sometimes what happens is the other sharks motivate you to say, no, we have to do this together. And so we all land up doing it together. And so we have invested in quite a few companies together. And the ones which are individually mine and which you are referring to, yes, I was completely interested and just wanted them definitely.
Even before the pitch finished, she was like, okay, and deal, it's your thing. Whatever you are asking, I'm in for it.
I did ask questions, by the way.
Do you agree, Saurav? Was it what she said?
Definitely.
All right. Aman, wanted to ask you really badly since the time I met you, what is your favorite Nepali dish?
Favorite what?
Nepali food. Say momo, please.
Huh? Don't say.
Say momo, please.
Momos, yeah. It's what do you call it? It's from Nepal, right? So it's Nepal's contribution to the world in terms of food, right? I love momos. Like हमारे Shark Tank season 1 में भी Momo Mami करके there was a pitcher who used to call herself as Momo Mami. She got very famous. Yeah, but I want to try. What should I try? I don't know. I don't remember now. It's been like 7-8 years.
If you have time, we have a lot of places that you can visit.
Some of my friends said Lord of the Drinks is good here. Yeah?
I mean, with seasoned shark here and with all the sharks that we have on board, the sharp sharks we have this season at the first season of Shark Tank Nepal, can you please shed some light into the things that you're most excited for the people to watch this season? One thing that has piqued your interest, one thing that has stayed with you after shooting of Shark Tank.
For me, I mean, as I said, there were so many people from various parts of the country. And if you look at it, there were about 35% who got the deals. There were the ones who didn't, some of them we know why they didn't. But I want to see the reaction of the other people who, how would they take it, the ones who didn't get, right? I mean, I hope they take it positively, but then, or they take it as a learning back home. But I am looking forward to seeing that reaction as well.
Saurabh, yours?
मलाई त मेरो अफिसबाट निकाल्न लागिसक्यो किनभने यतिवटा प्रोजेक्टमा मैले इन्भेस्ट गरेको छु कि अफिस गयो कि हाम्रै शार्क ट्याङ्कको the ones that we've invested in, I don't know how you're handling it. We've invested in so much projects that I was telling them that I'm going to be thrown out of my office because the chairman's not working. He's looking at, oh, what happened to that Shark Tank project? What happened to that Shark Tank project? How are you going to take it forward? So it's very exciting because it presents. मलाई के इन्ट्रेस्टिङ लाग्यो भने हामी अफिसमा हुँदा जहिले पनि अब अटोमोबिल म्यानुफ्याक्चरिङ आफ्नो क्षेत्रको मात्रै सोचिरहेको हुन्छ तर शार्क ट्याङ्कमा आउनु साथै डाइभर्स सेक्टर्सबाट इन्भेस्टमेन्ट opportunities आयो and we grab the opportunities. So I'm really excited to see how these turn out. And I truly believe that some of these companies will really make it big, not just in Nepal, but globally also. I can't tell you what, you'll have to watch it tomorrow. But I'm really excited about that.
Actually, we're watching the first episode today.
Okay.
It's the grand premiere. So we can get it just today. Ritu, anything that has stayed with you along the journey of first season?
So I think it was, in a way, going back to school, going back to university, college, whatever you might say, because you were learning. One, I thought, it was getting out of the box because you are dealing with 5 of us who react differently to that same project, and that itself gives you so much insight into the way that you think yourself. And I think that was a very, very big learning for me. And the additional camaraderie that we all built on the shark side. And then, of course, from the contestants, for the pitchers, it was a great opportunity for us to come out of our own offices, to be able to see what the society is thinking of, what the youngsters are thinking of right from 17 years to 75 years. And so what is this, our society going towards? And we were so happy to be part of it and hope that it unfolds very beautifully and gives you much more entrepreneurship in the society for the years to come.
All right. Now we would really want to open the floor so that you guys can have a question to any of us present here. In fact, Aman, can we open the floor for questions? So anyone, please raise your hand and you can keep your question very short, precise, and to whom it is directed to. Thank you so much. Mic पुऱ्याइदिनु हुन्छ त्यहाँ हात उठिरहेछ एकजना.
Hello everyone. I'm Kriti Bagaria Nahata and my question is for Aman sir. Sir, if you were to start boat today in the year 2025, without any contact and any funds the way you have today, what would be your first move?
If I have to start any business today without funds.
If you have to start boat.
Boat,
If you-
yeah.
All over again in the year 2025.
मतलब शुभ शुभ बोलो जरूरत ना पड़े इस चीज़ की
Hypothetically, sir.
हाइपोथेटिकल भी अच्छी चीज़ पूछ लेते बट अगर मुझे कुछ भी बिजनेस शुरू करना हो नॉट ओनली बोट आज की डेट में आई थिंक एक टाइम आता था जब मनी यूज टू बी अ प्रॉब्लम राइट दे यूज टू से कि पैसा लेना is like tougher, right? I think today there are more people, if you look at sharks sitting here, all of us, we are ready to invest money, right? So there is money is now a secondary thing. If you've got a good idea, I think there are people who are ready to invest. There are so many places you can go to. It is an open market. There are, as I said, global funds. In India also there are not many people who are taking money from India. There are people who are now going to US. अगर idea अच्छा है तो आप कहीं से भी पैसे उठा सकते हो. It's nowadays money is not a problem, it's a secondary thing. Idea and the execution capability is more important. So I would, if you have an idea or if I have an idea, like today, there is, you just mail one of them, all these sharks, just mail them, send them a LinkedIn request or send them on LinkedIn or send them a mail or whatever. I'm sure if your idea is good, they also want to invest their time, money and effort on you. So the things are changing and I still want to start a lot of things. I still have it in me that I want to start a few businesses and I might again, and I tell entrepreneurs कि आज की डेट में भी आप देखोगे ना किसी भी एरिया में देख लो आप there is money to be made. If you look at, I'm looking at speakers here, right? Like because it comes naturally to me. But if you look at the TV here or the cars here, right? There are startups which can start in EV today, speaker business, microphones. This is a German company. You can start it, right? There can be an opportunity. So I think opportunity is there in anything and everything. It's just the mindset and the execution capability, and you can start today. So it's not a problem.
Thank you so much.
Hello, everybody. My name is Samvidhi Rai. I'm a singer, and I'm so excited to be here. I just wanted to ask the sharks a question. Because, first of all, a small advice to Amanji. Please never say momos. It is actually momo. That is social suicide when you say momos.
इन्होंने बोला है?
No, he said momo, you said momos. Well, anyway.
It's momo
apart
only,
from
not
that,
momos.
अच्छा, it's not momos, it's
Yes.
momo.
It's
Yes,
momo
yes.
only, yes.
Oh, that's something new.
A lot
Thank
of our
you.
Indian friends call it momos, and I believe we need to correct them. So anyway.
Sorry. माफ कर दीजिए मैडम.
No problem at all. You're a guest.
Actually मुझे नहीं पता था. So thank you for telling us.
All right, my question for the sharks is, I have individually worked with all of the sharks there, and I'm so happy. When I first heard that shark was coming to Nepal, I was actually in disbelief. Like, हुन्छ नि अघि नै भन्नु रितु म्यामले भने जस्तै हाम्रो आफ्नो माइन्डसेट होला अब बाहिर त हुन्छ नेपालमा कसरी हुन्छ भने जस्तो लाग्थ्यो हैन. प्लस नेपालमा चाहिने सो नै थियो होला शार्क ट्याङ्क किन भन्दाखेरि एट अ टाइम when so many of our young friends, youngsters are going abroad, यहाँ अपर्च्युनिटी छैन भनेर बेलामा यस्तो शार्क ट्याङ्क आएको चाहिँ हाम्रो लागि एउटा एकदम उत्साहपूर्ण कुरा हो. And I'm so excited to watch the first episode. My question to any of the sharks, whoever willing to answer, is how did these guys at Himalaya TV and the team convince you to take up this job? हुन्छ नि हजुरहरूले पनि एकछिन त शार्क ट्याङ्क नेपालमा हुन्छ र भने जस्तो त लागेको थियो होला. सो के कुराले चाहिँ हजुरहरू कन्भिन्स हुनुभयो? कसैले पनि आन्सर दिन सक्नुहुन्छ?
So I think, firstly, I believe in your disbelief because you know me and you must have thought, सौरभ ज्योति कहाँ शार्क हुन्छ यो त असम्भवै छ भनेर. तर यहाँ बसिरहेको छु. अब कसरी शार्क भयो त्यो लामो कथा चाहिँ छ तर त्यो भन्दै पनि I think due credit goes to Himalaya TV and Sony and also the influence of Shark Tank India that it is one of the most anticipated business shows. And this was मेरो व्यक्तिगत धारणा एउटा के हो चाहिँ एकदमै यो चाहिएको सो हो क्या नेपालमा. किनभने हामी धेरै कुरा गर्छौँ हैन. मनोरञ्जन राम्रै भइरहेछ, राजनीति त हरेक डिनर टेबलमा हाम्रो कुरा हुन्छ, तर उद्यमशीलता लगानीको बारेमा कसरी उद्योग खोल्ने त्यो बारे चाहिँ अलिकति अवेयरनेस पनि छैन, जानकारी पनि छैन र त्यो कन्भर्सेसन चाहिँ हाम्रो हुँदैन. We are not celebrated. उद्यमीहरू सेलिब्रेटेड हुँदैन, व्यवसायहरू सेलिब्रेटेड हुँदैन, उद्यमशीलतालाई प्राथमिकता दिँदैन। र मैले जहिले पनि के भन्छु भने यस्तो शोबाट we need to talk. Families need to have a discussions, friends need to have about entrepreneurship, about opportunities in Nepal. र त्यति मात्रै हैन, कसरी कमाउनु त पैसा? Profit is not a dirty word. You create profit, you employ people, you create jobs, you pay. हरेक व्यवसायमा तपाईको सबैभन्दा चाहे पनि नचाहे पनि को हो पार्टनर? तपाईको राज्य हो। झन्डैले 1/3 त तपाईले राज्यलाई कर तिरिरा हुन्छ, आयकरदेखि लिएर मूल्य वृद्धि करदेखि लिएर विभिन्न करहरू, त्यो पार्टनरशिप। र मुख्य एउटा कुरा चाहिँ जहिले पनि व्यवसायहरूलाई चाहिएको यो माध्यमबाट पनि I hope Shark Tank will help is सम्मान र सुरक्षा, उद्यमीहरूको सम्मान र उद्यमीले गरेको लगानीको सुरक्षा चाहिँ राज्यले दिनुपर्छ। सो त्यो भएर मलाई लाग्यो कि this is the right platform. I want to be a shark, I want to invest in ideas and I want to create this movement. एक किसिमले इतिहासै रचिरहेछौँ हामीले, किनभने this is a serious business show where we are investing.
So it was an immediate yes for you? And for Ananda and for Ritu Didi.
So basically, I'm a rejected shark because I had to अलिकता धर्मजी श्यामजीलाई चाहिँ हैन पहिलो सिजनमा चाहिँ उहाँले 2021 मा मलाई पिच गर्दा चाहिँ I was rejected and I didn't get an answer. अनि मैले उहाँलाई बारम्बार फोन गराएको थिएँ के भयो भनेर, तर you know faith has a way, so it didn't happen in 2021 some reasons, and in 2025 when it actually did happen I had to reapply. And अलिकता मैले काम पनि बढी गरिसकेका थियौँ, त्यसैले त्यो बेला चाहिँ एक्सेप्ट गर्नुभयो उहाँले मलाई। त्यो हो मेरो कथा, and I'm glad to be and I'm honored to be a part of the Sharks because I think globally how many sharks are there, Aman? Maybe 300 sharks or so. So it's a very, it feels good to be a shark, you know, because you can change the lives of the entrepreneurs, you can contribute to the economy and motivate people to become entrepreneurs, job creators. Right? Over to you, Anand.
Thank you, Samriddhi. This thought when Shark Tank, I was approached with the idea of Shark Tank, मेरो मनमा के आयो भने आज 10-15 वर्ष भइसक्यो पहिला हामी कुरा गर्यौं संविधान बनेपछि समृद्धि आउँछ, and then we talked about अब राजनीतिक क्रान्ति पछि समृद्धि आउँछ, त आर्थिक क्रान्ति कहिले त? So maybe when I was approached with this thing, my frustration on all this amounted, and I kind of said, this is my chance to probably bring in some change. And hopefully, not hopefully, I'm very confident that the effort and the risks Himalayan TV has taken will definitely bring in some results, and all of us will see business being talked more positively and more often in most of the platforms.
With a very interesting conversation between our sharks and our guests today, हाम्रो grand premiere बाँकी नै भएको कारणले चाहिँ we're taking just 2 more questions. Can you please raise your hands so that we can get on to you? Somebody from the front, maybe?
I'll just
please
ask
pose your question.
I was handed over the mic. I'm very excited to just see everything coming across because I've been following Shark Tank Nepal since the first post. It was made in 2020, I think, in Facebook. And my question here is a bit critical because I'm comparing between the Indian ecosystem and Nepali startup ecosystem. That I think Indian sharks will have an exit plan because there's VCs, there are other investment opportunities, so they'll have an exit. I'm sure that the Nepali startups will grow along the way, but I'm not yet sure. There are a few VCs here, but what exactly will be your exit plan for any of the sharks?
So what are your exit plans, sharks?
India offers a lot of exit plans for the investors.
Show हेऱ्यो भने थाहा हुन्छ हैन के exit plan भएको एपिसोड आज छ कि छैन.
So each, yeah, you can just say each deal ma alagai exit plan.
No, each deal is a different deal, right? I mean, kunayma exit plan huna sakcha, kunayma napani huna sakcha, and business is a evolving process. So at a startup stage, it's very difficult to say that this is the exit plan, but then general mindset of the sharks would be that after scaling it up to a certain value and we get out of it and probably put that money into a next possibility.
All right, can we have one last question from the public?
I have. So hello everyone, this is me Ankit Shrestha, and I am an ACCA, a Chartered Certified Accountant, and we have a consulting firm in Nepal as Trace. So my question is to Aman sir. So as you already told that you will be having shoot for the 5th season of Shark Tank India, and for the fourth season you have been a shark and you have invested in a number of companies. So standing right now today, how you keep track of their progress, and maybe they would ask you for the advice and for the how they can go ahead. So the simple question is, what is the secret behind the time management so that you get the details of all the investment?
It's a good question. In fact, initially when I joined as a shark, I had not even invested in a lot of companies before. So I came to Shark Tank, and I actually, बहुत बारी ना, sometimes in life you just have to just go. When you start thinking too much, it becomes a problem. Sometimes overthinking. So when I became a shark, when I was investing, I didn't even know how to invest. I had not even seen इंडिया में इन्वेस्टर्स कैसे, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा उस साइड होता था. आई वॉज अ पिक्चर टू अ लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स, बट व्हेन आई बिकेम अ शार्क आई एक्चुअली लर्न फ्रॉम माई फेलो शार्क्स हाउ टू इन्वेस्ट. एंड व्हेन आई गॉट द फर्स्ट फ्यू कंपनीज, I spent a lot of time with them, and I still do even in the 4th season. But now I've got a full team which does that. Like we've got 6 people working in my founder's office which are helping me. और पता क्या हो गया, ये ना एक नशा है. Like नशा बोलते हैं जैसे कि अगर आपको कोई चीज़ अच्छी लगती है ना, तो आप को उसके ऊपर ना स्ट्रेस नहीं होता करने में. जैसे मैं शुरू में जब मैं जा रहा था ना, फर्स्ट 2 years, तब मैं अपने पैसे बहुत लगाए. तो मेरी वाइफ कहती थी कि हमारी ना एक मार्केट है, सरोजनी नगर मार्केट. आपने दिल्ली में सुना है सरोजनी नगर? तो सरोजनी नगर में ना बहुत सस्ता सामान मिलता है, राइट, और कभी कभी नकली भी होता है, राइट. तो मेरी वाइफ कहती थी कि मैं सरोजनी नगर में शॉपिंग कर रही हूँ, तो शार्क टैंक में शॉपिंग कर रहा है, राइट, सारे पैसे वहाँ लगा रहा है अपने. तो मुझे बहुत स्ट्रेस होता था कि मैं पैसे भी ठीक लगा रहा हूँ, नहीं लगा रहा हूँ. बट आपको एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ शार्क टैंक का. एक कंपनी थी लेट्स ट्राई, वो ना भुजिया बनाती है. भुजिया पता है? भुजिया तो चिप्स और भुजिया बनाती है. ज़्यादा हेल्दी नहीं है, हेल्दियर है, अनहेल्दी भी नहीं है, ठीक है, बीच में कहीं है. तो उसमें मैंने अपने 12 लाख रुपए लगाए थे, 12 लाख इंडियन रुपीस, राइट. और आज वो 12 लाख के 2 साल में, लेट्स ट्राई सीजन 1 की पिच है, 12 लाख के मैंने 12 करोड़ बना लिए. 12 लाख के 12 करोड़, 100x. और वो बंदा अकेला, मुझे 100% गारंटी है वो 12 करोड़ के मुझे 100 करोड़ बना के देगा. मतलब उसमें इतना दम है. और वो अगर 12 करोड़ भी बना देता है ना, जो ऑलरेडी मेरे को ऑफर आया हुआ है, अगर वो 12 करोड़ होगा ना, तो दैट इज इक्वल टू ऑल माई 3 years ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो पैसे बन सकते हैं अगर आप सही, apart from what they are saying that it is helpful for the community, yes, it is helpful for the entrepreneur, yes, it is helpful for the country, yes, it is helpful for the ecosystem, yes, it is helpful for the brand, yes, but you can also make money in it. So it is, once you start seeing कि यार इसमें पैसे बन सकते हैं ना, तो आप सही सोचो. एज अ बिजनेसमैन हम सोचते हैं अब इसको इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज करते हैं. इंस्टीट्यूशनलाइज करने के लिए लोग खड़े करते हैं, लोग बिठा दिए अब हमने. और आपको पता है फाउंडर्स को ना ज़्यादा हेल्प नहीं चाहिए होती. उनकी कंपनी वो खुद बनाएगा, आपकी कंपनी आप खुद बनाओगे, मैं नहीं बनाऊंगा. मेरा काम है अपनी कंपनी चलाना. मैं बोर्ड से पैसे कमाऊंगा, जितना पैसा मैं बोर्ड से कमाऊंगा इतना किसी स्टार्टअप से नहीं कमाऊंगा. बोर्ड से अच्छे खासे पैसे कमाऊंगा. तो मेरे को जो स्टार्टअप कंपनीज होती है ना, उनको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या हेल्प चाहिए होती है पता है? यार गाइड कर दो, आगे कैसे बढ़ना है लाइफ में, अगली इससे मिला दो. अब जैसे वो बोलेंगे कि मेरे को इनसे मिला दो, कभी बोलेंगे इनसे मिला दो, कभी कहेंगे अमेज़ॉन से मिला दो. तो उनको बेसिकली कनेक्शन की ज़रूरत होती है और थोड़ी गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत होती है. क्योंकि जो हमने गलतियाँ करी हैं अपने पाथ में, जब हम स्टार्ट कर रहे थे 6 साल पहले, हमारी 6 साल पहले कंपनी स्टार्ट हुई थी, हमने जब गलतियाँ करी है, मैं नए लोगों बच्चों को ये सिखा सकता हूँ कि भाई ये गलती मैंने की थी, ये मत कर, या ये मत कर, या ऐसे मत कर. खाली उन्हें गाइडेंस की ज़रूरत होती है. और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मेरा ना कोई मेंटर नहीं था लाइफ में. लास्ट पॉइंट, मेरा कोई मेंटर नहीं था. लोगों के ना मेंटर बन जाते हैं, लोगों के पास वो होते हैं कि गॉड फादर बन जाते हैं, मेंटर होते हैं. मेरा कोई मेंटर था ही नहीं. मेरे मतलब मिडिल क्लास फैमिली थी, मम्मी टीचर थी, पापा एक काम करते थे, नौकरी करते थे. तो मेरा मेंटर कोई था ही नहीं, कोई इतना फैमिली में कोई बड़ा आदमी नहीं था. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मैंने अपनी गलतियों से जो सीखा, अगर मैं किसी बंदे को सिखा दूँ ना, पहले मुझे समझ नहीं आता था इसमें भी मज़ा आता है, राइट. पहले लोग कहते थे चैरिटी करने में इट्स अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग, बट एक्चुअली में बहुत मज़ा आता है. अगर आप किसी की कंपनी में हेल्प करो और वो कंपनी यहाँ से यहाँ जाए ना, अंदर से ना एक अलग खुशी होती है. और वो खुशी मुझे तब महसूस हुई जब ये कंपनीज अच्छा करने लगी. पहले मुझे नहीं पता था कि इसमें भी मज़ा आता है कि दूसरों की हेल्प करने से. So it has changed me, and I've got a team and time. I think I still have a lot of time. If I can spend time here with you guys, I have a lot of time. I learn a lot from people. Like जैसे इन्होंने भी बोला ना, जब कोई नया आता है पिच करने, आपने बोला था शायद, अब जब कोई पिच करने आता है ना, आपको पता है मैं इतना सीखता हूँ ना शार्क टैंक में जाके, शार्क से भी और एंटरप्रेन्योर से भी, क्योंकि नया बिजनेस क्या कर रहे हैं, कैसे कर रहे हैं, नई टेक्निक्स क्या है, नई मार्केटिंग टेक्निक्स क्या है, नई सेल्स टेक्निक्स क्या है, कैसे उन्होंने एक बंदा आया था अभी सीजन 4 में, उसकी टीम 4 लोगों की है और उसके सारे यूट्यूब में व्यूज़ बनाता है, वीडियोस बनाता है, सारे वीडियोस में 10-10 लाख 20-20 लाख व्यूज़ आते हैं. तो उससे हमने सीखा. मैंने जाके अपनी टीम को बोला, सालो तुम्हें सबको नौकरी से निकाल दूंगा, उसको देखो और इसको अपने आप को देखो, वो इतने अच्छे वीडियो बना रहा है और तुम सालो इतने पैसे लगा के कुछ नहीं कर रहे. तो मैं इतना सीखता हूँ कि मेरे को खुद मतलब और टाइम का होता है. जैसे मैं ना टीवी नहीं देखता, मैंने पिक्चर देखने का मेरे को बिल्कुल मज़ा नहीं आता, मैं बोरिंग होती है. मैं पिक्चर भी देखता हूँ तो मैं अपने फ़ोन पे लगा रहता हूँ. तो मुझे तो ये एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और ये स्टार्टअप कल्चर, जैसे आज मैं यहाँ भी आया हूँ, मैं फ्लाइट में थी, मैं फ्लाइट में इनसे बात कर रहा था, अभी इनसे कर रहा था, अभी बाहर जाता हूँ आप लोगों से करूँगा, तो मुझे बहुत मज़ा आएगा आप लोगों से सीखने से सर. सो इट हेल्प्स मी ऑल्सो learn. So I don't think it's waste of time. I think it's the perfect use of my time and my energy is talking to entrepreneurs.
So following up with the example that you gave, so that company made from like 12 lakh to 12 crore. So
आपने खाली वही बात सुनी क्या पूरे इसमें?
नहीं.
कि उसमें उसने कितने पैसे बनाए? नहीं.
So it's about like if you can remember right now, so how many time that you had to connect with that founders or your team would take that questions and providing them advice to that particular Vujia wala company.
मेरे को समझ नहीं आया क्या पूछा?
So my question is like,
okay,
my question is like, for that particular company, which made from like 12 lakh to 12 crore right now, how many hours of time you may have invested to that particular company?
यार मैं उससे 3 महीने में आधा घंटा, ज़्यादा नहीं. मतलब शुरू में उसको ज़्यादा हेल्प चाहिए थी और अभी 3-4 महीने में आधा घंटा 1 घंटा, ज़्यादा नहीं, ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं मांगते यार. खुद करना होता है ना यार, अपना बिजनेस है, खुद बना, हम थोड़ी बनाएंगे तेरा बिजनेस. तेरे को लग रहा है कि कितना टाइम देते हो, आप ही बना लो मेरा बिजनेस, ऐसे नहीं होता, आपको खुद बनाना पड़ेगा.
With that important question, we really thank all the enthusiasm that has come off from the audiences today. Our audience match but a question Ako Sunira. I think the fire has shifted to our stage as well. Before we move ahead to another segment of our program, Ritu ma'am has a question for you, Aman.
So my question to you, Aman, is a very shark-to-shark question. The thing is, how did you start, when you started your business?
You guys didn't talk on the plane.
He slept off, and then I slept off. So the question is, in 2 parts. When you started the business, how did you think about it, that idea? And once you came onto Shark Tank, what kind of scaling did you have to do? In terms of time, in terms of execution plans, in terms of commitments?
I tell a lot of founders that if you want to start something, then join the biggest company in the world today, learn from them and start your own company. If they don't give you the right share. In fact, in my own company, people say, कि sir, हम अपना start कर लें एक नई company. मतलब please start करो. So I have to take care of a lot of people. I give them ESOPs. I ensure that I grow with them. But otherwise, in today's world, it's so easy. I, in fact, loved gadgets. And when I was loving gadgets, I actually applied to a lot of companies. I applied to Apple. I applied to Bose. I applied to Sennheiser.
You took the distributorship, dealership? Or
yeah, I was a distributor of Sennheiser in India.
Okay.
I was a distributor of another company called Beats by Dr. Dre in India. And then I started distributing Logitech in India. I was a distributor. And so I learned a lot from, then I applied to JBL, I applied to Bose, I applied to Sennheiser, I applied to Logitech, I applied to all these companies कि मुझे रख लो, I'm a good guy and take me. And nobody took me, only JBL took me. And they, 1.5-2 years I was there. And while I was working there, I realized कि companies become a little difficult to work with, right? Sometimes you become too big. global companies have their own problems, right? In our company also, sometimes the company becomes too big. तो क्या होता है ना? Then there are a lot of people. It's like मेरे पास आते हैं, फिर मेरे पहले मतलब जूनियर से सीनियर से बॉस से ऊपर. तो JBL में क्या हो रहा था कि मैं अपने बॉस को बोलता था, फिर बॉस बोलता था एशिया से बात करो, एशिया पैसिफिक वाला कहता था ग्लोबल से बात करो, और फिर वो जितना टाइम लगाते थे ना डिसीजन मेकिंग में, तब तक प्रोडक्ट ही चेंज हो जाता था, मार्केट चेंज हो जाती थी, राइट? तो इंडिया में ना there was a time when I could feel that the consumer is changing, the market is changing, colorful products चाहिए, लोगों को अच्छे products चाहिए. जब इंडिया में इतनी इन्फ्लुएंसर मार्केटिंग नहीं होती थी, बेस भी इंडिया को ना, एक सलमान खान का गाना है बेबी को बेस पसंद है, सुना आपने एक वो गाना है? तो वो एक्चुअली मैं भी बोलता हूँ कि हमें कंज्यूमर्स को बेस पसंद है, तो हमें सबको बेस पसंद है, तो मैंने अपने प्रोडक्ट्स में ना बेस बहुत डाला. सो द मार्केट वॉज चेंजिंग, कंज्यूमर वॉज चेंजिंग, मार्केट वॉज चेंजिंग, एंड आई टोल्ड माई बॉस कि सर लेट्स चेंज आवर प्रोडक्ट्स एंड डू ऑल दिस. उसने मेरी सुनी नहीं, तो मैंने बोला चल मैं फिर खुद ही बना लूँगा. तो दैट वाज हाउ बोट स्टार्टेड. It's very simple. Part 2, ma'am, we have to scale. Now we've just filed for our IPO and we have to grow. Growth is something which it is embedded in us today. It's not about money for me. पैसे तो बहुत बना लिए life में. If I don't work even a minute today, I don't need to work. I have so much money. But it's not about money for me. It was never about money for me. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है कि growth देखने में. मतलब मैं ना ये सोचता था, and that question is very good because I used to always think, why do rich people work? Right? I used to always think कि Elon Musk के पास इतना पैसा है, क्यों काम कर रहा है? अंबानी के पास इतने पैसे हैं कि अंबानी के पास इतनी ज़रूरत क्या है और काम करने की? मेरे को हमेशा ये लगता था. फिर मैंने स्लोली रियलाइज़ किया जब खुद के पास पैसे आए कि इट वाज नेवर अबाउट मनी, राइट? इट वाज, एक बार पैसा आ जाता है ना तो आपको लगता है कि यार और कुछ करने का मन करता है. तो मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि देयर आर सम पीपल हु डू इट फॉर लाइक मैनकाइंड, लाइक दे डू चैरिटी. लाइक इफ यू लुक एट Bill Gates, he's donated everything to charity, 99%. If you look at Warren Buffett, he's doing it for charity, for mankind, humankind. And then there are second type of people who do it for changing mankind, like maybe Elon Musk who wants to colonize Mars, right? Or maybe take the EV revolution to the world, or maybe Jeff Bezos who's going to space. And then there is the third type of people, which is probably me and maybe some of us. We love challenges, we love competition, we love growth, we love hustle, we can't sit idle, we want to do something. So I think I am of that mindset that I really want to do something more. This is enough, this is not enough for me. What next for me? So I'm already looking at, ये तो कर दिया, अब next कैसे जाना है, इसके ऊपर कैसे जाना है. Otherwise life is very boring. Otherwise तो मतलब there are some cities and states in India where you can just go and just relax, do nothing, right? आप कहीं पहाड़ों में चले जाओ, कहीं रिवर के पास चले जाओ, आप बस बैठे रहो. You can take what you call it retirement, but that's not me. I still feel that that वो energy, वो hunger, वो hustle मेरे अंदर अभी भी है. तो that keeps me working hard and that keeps me
doing. Keep it going. Great.
Thank you.
Definitely keep that going. Do we have other questions from our two sharks? Anything for Aman, sharks?
I want to ask.
Please go ahead. I was waiting for that.
Right. So when you joined Shark Tank, like for all three of you, why did you join Shark Tank, and what is in it for you? Why did you as personally join Shark Tank Nepal, and why did you do that?
I mentioned it a little bit, maybe in Nepali you missed out in translation, but then my thought was that there is a need in this country to bring about business mindset domination. And something which I thought this whole show could bring in. One. Two, I mean, like you, I've watched a lot of Shark Tank, including you guys, right? And I always thought of myself being on this seat and seeing how things work. And third, of course, brand building.
Yes, good. Very easy. How about you, sir?
I think personally, even before Shark Tank, I've been involved with a lot of startups, promoting startup culture. So I truly believe in the potential of the youth and their contribution towards nation building. And when Shark Tank came, it was just a progression of what I used to do behind camera to now getting on camera and investing. It's a different thing that we thought, on Shark Tank, ठीक है, 5 लाख 10 लाख को आउँछ होला, 10-20 10-25 लाख हामी लगानी गरौँला भन्यो तर अब तपाईले हेर्नु होला कति कति खर्च भयो करोडौं भन्दा कम कसैको आइडिया थिएन बट द्याट्स अल्सो अ प्लेजेन्ट सरप्राइज बिकज they have the ideas, they're dreaming big, so we wanted to go along with that, and Shark Tank proved us right that there's such a thriving entrepreneurship culture and so much potential in the youth of Nepal, and I truly believe that seeing the potential of these youth, the future of the country is really bright.
On that note, I truly believe...
Let her also answer, no?
On that note, we have Ritu ma'am on the mic.
So I think itself, when you talk about the brand Shark Tank, I think it's a very, very strong brand to be a part of. So to think of it, that itself was a push enough. And I have to be very, very honest that I think it was not me who's to be watching a lot of Shark Tank. It's my son who was so motivated about, my God, this program is like this. Look what they asked and what did they say? And look where this person's reached and look, he's become billions of dollars. So I think that was a seed which I already, of course, saw that there was such a buzz in the society about. And at the same time, I think it's a win-win for the sharks, for the entrepreneurs, for the TV channel, for everybody. I think it's going to be a game changer for sure, and I hope that it does turn out to be a game changer to the level that we are expecting it to be, and definitely sow the seed of entrepreneurship. So when you look at it, it's such a win-win that, of course, there was no question of not being in it. And I think in my case, there's also that woman angle. So there are a lot of people who are like, oh, I heard a lady who said, oh, Keti Manchi pani huncha bhane, women also are sharks. So, it's like, that's an enforcement also in the way that, it's not limited to a certain section only.
Yeah. Well, that's amazing.
On that powerful note, I truly believe that this roundtable will be inspiring many conversations just beyond businesses. I truly love the point that you put across, saying some people don't just need investment, they also need mentorship, and Shark Tank can be that provision for our Nepali entrepreneurship journey. With that, I really appreciate your presence here, Aman. Thank you so much for gracing us with your wonderful insight on business and beyond. We rise announcing that we have closed the open for questions with our audiences. Thank you to our moderator, Mr. Sanjo Koirala. Your presence is always appreciated. We're actually doing a sponsorship pictures, but you can all go ahead first. We're not letting you go as yet. With that, can we please have the chairman and managing director of Himalaya Television HD on the stage with our sharks? Dharma sir and Sham sir, please grace the stage. Can we please take a center stage, maybe a step forward ahead of the tables? It's for the pictures. One by one, we will be having our sponsors on the stage. Can I please have Global IME Bank, Surendra ji, Dilip ji, and Switch Shaharana. We're doing a group picture. We're also powered by Proton EMAS and TVS. I'd like to invite Mr. Akhil Gupta and Adhir Shrestha on the stage for the picture. We're co-sponsored by Study Square. Can we please have Nilesh ji and Projit ji on the stage to take pictures with the shark? From Samsung, we have Pranay Ratnasthapit, Director, and Mimon Manandar. अलिक भीड भयो भने सँगै फोटो लिदा पनि हुन्छ होला. It'll look like a group picture. Thank you, team. We have our associates from Sangsim moving in, Pranayji and Mimonji. And we also have Pranisha from Sangsim joining us on the stage. Can we please move ahead to associate sponsors? Life insurance partner, we have Nepal Life. Amitji, please grace the stage. B2B payment partner, Corporate Pay, we have CEO Nilesh Man Singh Pradhan and Preeti Jha. We're awaiting the presence of associate sponsors, Nepal Life and B2B partner, Corporate Pay on the stage. Under associate sponsors, we also have knowledge partner Embark College. Ashush Thakur, CEO, Neeraj Neopane, can you please join us on the stage? Under our associate partners, we also newly have added footwear partner. We have director from Gold Star Shoes, Mrs. Vidushi Rana. Cooking oil partner, Dhara Oil, Mr. Kumud Dugard, please grace our stage. Finally, can we have home appliances partner, DHI Home Appliance, Mr. Prabhakar Jha, AGM.
Global IME Bank presents Shark Tank Nepal Season 1. Title sponsor
Global IME Bank, Sabai ka lagi bank.
Powered by
Proton EMA 7, intelligence that electrifies.
TVS Apache Series.
Unstoppable performance, unskippable style.
The Everest Hotel, Kathmandu, your ideal venue for meetings, events and stays.
Co-sponsored by
Study Square, our study abroad possible tha.
Associate sponsors Nepal Life, Corporate Pay, Embark College, Gold Star Shoes, Dhara Oil.
सही खोजौं, शुद्ध रोजौं. मुटु चाहिन्छ, मुटु.
Nepal Foods.
Nepal Foods, premium Nepali food products, available in UK, USA, Australia, Japan and all over Europe.
Kingsler. Marvel Technoplast.
गुणस्तरीय प्लम्बिङको भरपर्दो नाम मार्बल.
DHI Happier Home, today sahi.
Supported by